Okay.
Aloha, my name is Dr. Nicholas Tanchef, and I want to say hello to the Earther Academy retreat group. I want to say hello to the YouTube viewers. I want to say hello to the Cranial Facial Release group, and I want to say hello to Dr. Adam Del Torto, the founder of the Cranial Facial Release Therapy. And today, I will be introducing one of my patients here, Mr. Carlos, who is going to receive cranial facial release for 6 openings: the inferior turbinate, the middle turbinate, the superior turbinate, all the way back to the nasopharynx from each opening, okay? So we are going to be going through the nasal area. We're going to be using tiny balloons to open up and go all the way back to the nasopharynx through the inferior opening on both right and left sides, the middle turbinate opening through both the right and left side, the superior turbinate through both the right and left side, and in each instance we are targeting the sphenoid bone, which attaches the face to the cranium. And the reason why we want to open those areas up is so that we can unlock cranial fixations. Again, when we affect the sphenoid bone, we are affecting a bone which impacts 9 different bones in the cranium and helps to unlock and open up a lot of the fixations that occur in the cranial sutures. So we're going to be doing that with Mr. Carlos. We're also going to be combining a couple of additional therapies with this procedure. We're going to be combining Thai Fu essential oil to also help to clear out a lot of the mucus and blockage that is going to be draining and coming through after we do this cranial facial release procedure. And last but not least, we will be administering a very powerful medicine called Sananga. Sananga comes from a plant in the Amazon and traditionally is used as an eye medicine and is administered into the eyes. But it's more than just an eye medicine. It's a very deep penetrating medicine which also goes deep into the sinuses and clears all blockages through the sinuses and additionally through the facial area. So this is very important because what we have found here at the Earther Academy retreat is that combining Sananga with the cranial facial technique makes the treatment much more powerful and enhances doing cranial facial release by itself. So this is something that we have found and started to utilize in our therapy. So Mr. Carlos is going to come over and we are going to begin the treatment with the cranial facial release using these tiny balloons. And just to give you an idea of how much opening we're getting through there, okay? This is super effective for opening up and clearing sinuses and increasing your breathing capacity. And it's very important for everybody, athletes, people who have sinus congestion, breathing congestion, deviated septums, anyone who has difficulty breathing through one side, snoring, sleep apnea, a whole host of reasons why we would want to do this. And also, last but not least, increasing blood flow to the brain to optimize brain function and prevent neurodegenerative disease. Okay, so thank you for watching, and now we're going to move to proceed with the procedure. Okay, mahalo.